Hey everyone, welcome to the next section. In this we covered all about the effects. So in this topic, we will do advanced effect library breakdown. So this is the effects control panel where we can adjust the effects and control our effects. This is opacity motion and lumetri color. We already use effects control many times, so you already know how you can use this. Now here is the effects panel. Let me close this, then I will show you again from the scratch. First of all, there are presets. Presets are those that we saved the transitions or effects that we make or that we have imported to our software. Let's make a preset quickly. So I just search the blur and then select this Gaussian blur. Let's put this in our clip after taking the blur. Now increase the blur amount. Then you can make this effect as preset. Just right click here and press save this as preset. I will name it Gaussian blur preset. Now you can see that our created preset here. Now you can apply this effect by just dragging and dropping. This is how you can make presets easily. Now I am clearing the blur effects from the clip. I think so we can also remove the first applied blur effect from the clip. These are the presets that Premiere Pro give us free. Here we can choose any of them. There are many effects that you can use from here. You can also use these presets as per your project requirement. So this is what presets are. Now we have lumetri presets. This is for color grading. You can apply any of the preset to your video to apply any effect that you want or that you think it's good for your video. I think it's not good for our video, so I am clearing this. After that we have technical color grade. Here we have options to choose for our video. Let me close this. After that we can select the video effects. In the video effects we have multiple options to choose for our video adjustment. Here you can adjust your video levels and you can also check the video lighting effect. You can apply it as per your needs. Next is ProCap. In this you can adjust the brightness, contrast, etc. We also don't use this. So now we have blur and sharpen. We have directional blur. You can look at this. By using this you can also change the direction of the blur. This is what directional blur looks like. We also make good transition. Now you can see this is the Gaussian blur. You can apply it to view how it's look like, and we can also try the camera blur. So we have different types of blurs, and you can also change the video sharpen by using the sharpen effect. Now I am closing the blur and sharpen effect. So now we have color correction. We can also do color correction from this color correction section. This is equalize. You can see the difference after applying it, and it's not looking good, I think. So now we select the distort effect tab and close the color correction tab. In distort we have corner pin and it is self-explained. You can see the effect. After that we have apply offset. It will create an infinite loop. For the video you can see that this is only one video and it can make your video infinite and it will very useful in the transition. You can do it in both ways, upside and sidewise. You can see that this will look so good in the transitions. After that we have transform. I think we use this effect most of the times in video editing. You can transform video by this. To transform the video, just make the keyframes and make the animation to use it. This is how you can use the transform. Let me remove all the effects here. Now we can select the twirl effect and then changes its angle value in the effects control to check how it's look like. Then we have to select the lens distortion. You can see the lens distortion. It makes video looks like that in lenses and its curvature. Value increase like fisheye. Now let me clear this. After that we have warp stabilizer that I already talked about. How you can stabilize the video by using this. After that we have generate effect. Under this effect tab, we can make shapes by it. There are so many shapes and you can also make shape from this. This is ellipses. Then we have lighting. It looks good. This is just lighting. You can see that. Let me remove this. Then we have image control. In that we have white and black effect tab. Simply we have different also cases in that. And we have color balance, color pass, color replace, and gamma correction. Now we have immersive video. VR glow, you can see that it glows some of the part of the clip. This is good when we want to make aesthetic filtered video. Here you can also see multiple VR effects. You can try any of them. After that we have denoise. It will reduce the noise of the clip or reduce the sharpness of the video. Then we have keying effects tab. This is when we want to remove a background from the video or if you want to remove the green screen. We will talk briefly about this in the next topic. After that we have perspective. In this we play with 3D. Here is the basic 3D. If you want to transform this in the 3D, then we will use this. After that we have stylize. These are the brushes that we use for the drawing like this. We have many brushes. Then we have transform. That we already used vertical and horizontal flip. We can use this just by dragging and dropping. You can see that it just flips the video. In vertical flip, it will flip upside to down. Then we can explore the transition tab. In the transition tab, we have some transitions like block dissolve and gradient. These are some of the transitions for the video. It dissolve with the partials. You can see that. Like this we have liner vibe. To make a transition, you have to animate it. After that we have radial vibe. Let me clear all of these. Then we have utility and I think we only some cases use this. Then we have video effect tab. By this clip name, it shows the name of the clip. Now let me remove this. Then we have some video transitions. 3D motion flip over. You can see the cube spin. Then we have flip cover that we use mostly some cases. So these are some video transitions that we use. You can see that this is dissolve. In that we have some addictive dissolve and cross dissolve that we mostly use. I have already told you about that in our previous topic that you can see. So this is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will discuss about adjusting the effects with the keyframes. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about adjusting effects with keyframes. So we will add effect to make the clip more realistic. First, let's drop an effect on the clip. That name is lens flare. It will make our video more interesting and realistic. Let's drag and drop it. You can see that it creates a light and it's looking so real. Now put it on this angle and it's looking already good. Let me decrease some of the brightness and then perfectly blend it to the video. Now it looks good. You can see that the before and after. Now you can see it can perfectly fitted in this clip. Now the light is in the still position, so we have to animate this flare as the video goes. So we will animate this flare frame by frame in the clip. Just make flare center and flare brightness keyframes in the starting of the clip. Then animate these keyframes according to the clip. Now you can see that I am animating the keyframes frame by frame. If you want to give a good look to your effects, then have also need to do the keyframes animation perfectly. Now see the results. You can see that it looks a lot better now. I think we missed to animate the brightness effect. So we just add a brightness keyframe in the center and then increase the brightness at the end of the clip. Now you can see that here the brightness increase. This looks a lot more interesting now. So this is how you can animate the effect. You can animate the effect frame by frame and also adjust the position by clicking on the flare. You can see that this is looking great now. You can also do like this in your own video. After that we can just apply a simple transition to check how we can animate the transitions. Now in the effects control, you can increase the transition starting and ending size value. You can adjust it according to your type that you want. Let me adjust a little more. Now this looks a lot good. So this is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will get to know how we can achieve a cinematic look in our video. So keep learning with us. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will learn about how we can give a cinematic look to our video. In this, we will achieve a cinematic look for our video. Now in this video, it is not looking cinematic. We can achieve a cinematic look to change some color grading and add bezels to the videos. Changing the color get more impact on the video. So we have to get a fade in the video. For this, we have to make an adjustment layer, then drag and drop it in the timeline. To achieve a cinematic look, just go the color panel and then in the creative panel, just increase the faded film a little bit. I think it looks good. Now this amount of fade looks good. You can see that, and this part is looking so good. This is what cinematic look we want to achieve. You can see the difference. When I hide the adjustment layer, I think so need to decrease a little bit of faded film. Now to create it more cinematic, what we have to do is just create a color matte and make bezels in the upper side and lower side of the video. Many people uses this to achieve a cinematic look in their videos. Now you can see the video looks so much interesting. This is how you can achieve a cinematic look. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will discuss about masking in Adobe Premiere Pro. So keep learning. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about masking in Premiere Pro. I already told you about masking with this small example. By using of masking, you can mask any object from the video. From the opacity section, there is a circle, rectangle and pen tool that we use for masking. By that you can mask any of the object from the video. Masking is like if you want to mask out this waterfall, then take just pen tool and then you can just mask out the waterfall. By drawing a line around the waterfall with this pen tool, you can see that I am also creating a mask for the waterfall. You can mask any of the object just like that for your videos. It's taking too much time, so I am making it faster. But if you want to create good mask, then you have to mask every point properly. Let me give it a little bit of feather and now you can see that how it looks. So you can mask anything by this. You can also mask this tree or mask out with this circle. Just delete the upper mask. This is the circle mask. You can make anything like that. So this is what masking looks like, how masking help in our videos. Let me clear this video first from the timeline and then import another video and we will use masking for this clip. Now I am adjusting the video in the timeline as I want. You can also do that. So this is our video and I have to do masking for it. Let me zoom it. And then we also need to adjust the video position. After that I will start masking from this tree. I just want to mask this tree. To make the masking transition, let me reverse this video and use the optical flow. So now I have to create a mask. I will create mask from this tree to left side. Now we just use the pen tool to do masking. Let me select this tree and then make it to the right side. So in this black space, we can put the another video that appears after this video. So let me adjust the feather value first and then invert this mask because I need it from the right side. Now the right side of the area is blank. So we will animate this mask to create a transition. I will add some of the text behind the video. Literally you can see the text is behind this video. If I put it below the video, then it will go behind the video. You can see that, but we will also show the text this time. So this is how you can use masking. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will do an exercise and also create a transition by masking. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will create a transition with the help of masking. So we already know about the masking. I already told you in the previous topic. You can see that this is the mask that we have made previously, so this time we will animate it frame by frame and make a good transition for the video. In the empty blank area, we will add another video so we will animate it frame by frame, so it will make a great transition. Now we will create a mask animation following this tree. Now I am making a keyframe and animate it frame by frame like this. Just animate it frame by frame, masking the tree. After few seconds mask it again. After few seconds masking it again. Okay, so it's looking good. And after few seconds, reshape the mask again. So you have to keep repeat this until the video is created. Let me speed up this process so you don't get bored. Okay, so now our masking is completed and you can see the animated mask now. You can see that it's not proper, but it looks good. Let me make the mask perfect from the start. That left like before, you have to animate it here. Okay, so now masking is fully completed. So now what we will do is, now we place another video here below the clip, then it works as a transition. You can see that. Now the transition looks so good. With the help of masking, simply you can do masking like this. So this is how you can create a transition with the help of masking. It will look a lot good if you do that properly. So this is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will talk about the dynamic link. So keep learning. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will get to know how we can do dynamic link with After Effects. So dynamic link with After Effects is the link between the After Effects and the Premiere Pro. If you do any changes in the After Effects, then it automatically applied in Premiere Pro also. And if we apply anything on Premiere Pro, it automatically applied to After Effects, so it will create a link between both the software. So if you want to create a dynamic link, in that clip I am just copying the clip so that I can apply the dynamic link on that. So what we have to do is just right click on the clip and then select the replace with After Effects composition. Then the clip opens in the After Effects. It takes some time. So here our After Effects opens. Let me save this project and name it to Clip Effect and save it. Now you can see the video. So I do any changes here, it will automatically change in Premiere Pro after you save it. You can adjust the After Effects editing panel same as Premiere Pro. You have all the effects and presets are here. You can see the length and all the effects that I have put in the clip. We'll quickly animate this. Now this is what it looks like. Time to save this. And look this clip in the Premiere Pro. This is the link between After Effects and the Premiere Pro. And if I do any other change, now get back into the After Effects and change the lens effect to other effects. Let me apply page turn effect. It will make a page turn transition. This is very different transition. Let me animate this transition. So we have to fold the page. Changing the fold position and now it looks good. Now you can see that the fold animated to the end of the video. Now this is how it looks like. After saving the video, it will apply it in Premiere Pro. Also you can see that. So this is how you can create the dynamic link to the After Effects. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will talk about how to remove green screen. So keep watching. Hey everyone, welcome to the next topic. In this topic, we will talk about green screen work. So in this topic, I will show you how you can remove the green screen from your video. So to remove the green screen, what we have to do is, here is our video with a green screen on it. You can see that. In the laptop there is a green screen. So now we have to remove this green screen. So this is a stock video. You can also download any stock video and you can remove your green screen by this method. So we just have to move in the effect panel and search the Ultra key. You just have to drag and drop this effect in the clip. Then you can see the Ultra key in the effect panel. Let me delete one of the Ultra key. Just pick this color picker and select the area color. After clicking here on green screen, then green screen will get completely disappear. It will automatically create a mask wherever the green area is, and you can adjust the effects of Ultra key here. Transparency, highlights, shadows, tolerance, and pedestal. You can change the value of these to remove the green screen perfectly. After that, if you put any clip to below this, then it will appear in the laptop. You can see that. Let me take a video and put it below the green screen video. Now you can see the video is in the laptop. Let me scale the size of the video and place it according to the laptop. Just rotate a little bit. Now it looks good. Let me place the video again correctly. It looks good now. You can see that. Here you can see that this video is placed in the laptop perfectly. So this is how you can remove a green screen in the Adobe Premiere Pro. I will also tell you about the Luma key. It removes the blacks in the video. So I have this fire video. Let me import that one in timeline so that I will show you to remove the blacks from the video. So now what we will do is just drag and drop the Luma key on the clip to remove the blacks from the video. After that, go to Effects Control. And here you can also change its threshold and cutoff values to remove blacks perfectly. Now you can just drag this video to above the any of the video. Here you can see that the result is impressive. It simply just removed the blacks from the video. So this is all about green screen. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will do advanced green screen effect, so keep learning. Hey everyone, in this topic, we will talk about advanced green screen effects. In the previous topic, we already done some green screen work, and now we will do advanced green screen work. In the last topic, we just simply click on the green screen, then it automatically masks out the green screen. Let me show you the original video. Here is the original video. You can see that it masks out the green screen by just clicking it. So what we will do is, now we have another clip that I downloaded from free stock video website. So this is the clip and we have to mask out the green screen from it. So to remove it properly, you have to do some adjustment. Let me type Ultra key here and then you just have to grab the Ultra key effect and then drop the effect in the clip and then pick this color picker. After that, choose the green color from your video to mask out the green screen, but it doesn't remove the green screen completely. I will show you by using of background. Let me use color matte so that I can show you properly. I will choose the white color for color matte. You can see that in the sides we have some of the fades. Now we have to remove this fade, so you can go in the effects control and here adjust the some values of matte generation option. And you can see that the video mask out perfectly. You can see the before and after here. To understand the difference, you have to adjust this according to yourself about the transparency and shadows. Okay, so now this looks good. I just removed the shadows from it. Let me adjust some pedestals. Let me reduce this so the shades became low in the side. Do one thing, just increase the zoom of preview panel. Now you can see the green screen visible in her hand. You can adjust it by changing the values of matte generation drop down options. Just adjust it according to yourself. Let me adjust some highlight and transparency. I think now it looks good. Now you can check this. It completely masked out the green screen. Now what we will do is, we will put this layer under the adjustment layer and check it how it looks in the video. It also blends with the light perfectly. Let me render this so that you can't feel any lag in this. We have to wait until it completed. Now it looks so good. You can see that it perfectly masks out the green screen and fitted perfectly in our video. So this is how you can remove the green screen from the video. This is it for this topic. In the next topic, we will jump into the next section, that is transition, so keep learning. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like and share the video.